Bonjour, je suis désolé, ne parlez pas français. Le menu pour les enfants. Allez. Tips Tuesday. Ouais.
Alright. Do you know when you're working, and obviously you get your bed skin and you collect all your scrap in there, right? Did you know you can melt that down and you can rework it? I've got a job on at the moment where I'm making a ring and I painted a pair of earrings from this guy's scrap, but I want to utilise this instead of wasting it because it's a nice alloy metal. So I'm about to punt this back into the crucible. We'll show you how, alright? So if you notice, this is red hot, and there's a reason for that. It's because the borax is molten, so when we tip in our dust and our swarf, it sticks to it. So that when I get the flame into here now, it's not going to blow about everywhere. Clever that, eh? And there we go. One nugget of significant proportions. And this is a great way of being conservative or frugal when you've got clients' old golds that you're working with and remodelling. Because when you get the metal dust and you collect it in your skin, you obviously collect it and send it away for refining to somewhere like the lovely Val at VPR. But if you're wanting to get the most out of it, then at least you know there's a way of collecting that metal dust, putting it in a hot crucible which is sticky with borax, and then it doesn't blow away when you get the flame in to melt it. Alright, so I'm just about to wait and work with this. Alright, cheerio now, stay safe out there, be classy.